Here's a powerful attitude that will change your life. It's the attitude that energy will always flow where your attention goes. This means that whatever you focus on first will tend to dominate your consciousness, whether you're aware of it or not. In 1956, George Miller published the article, The Magical Number 7 plus or minus 2. In it, he discusses the limits of one's conscious attention. On a good day, Miller noted, we could attend to as many as 9 things at once. On a bad day, as few as 4. Most days, about 7. Then in May 1957, Scientific American published an article introducing the concept of the reticular activating system. The reticular activating system, or RAS, functions like a highlighter to turn on your awareness of certain ideas or data. Think of it as something you'll actually notice even when immersed in another activity. Like when you're at a party and you hear your name mentioned on the other side of the room in another conversation and it catches your attention. Another example that most people can relate to is buying a new car. Have you ever noticed right after you get a new car, suddenly you begin to start noticing the same car everywhere you go? After a while, you can even tell the difference between this year's model and last year's. Think of your attention like a stereo receiver. Whatever station you tune into is what you'll get. If you tune into hip hop, all you'll hear is hip hop music. If you tune into classical music, all you'll hear is classical music. And yet, there is another important distinction on top of that. Not only will you get what you tune into, but you'll get that to the exclusion of everything else, meaning it pushes everything else out. So learn to tune your attention into the right channel, the one that serves you and makes your life better. If you want to have an unpleasant time, focus on all the aspects of your experience that are unpleasant, boring, or challenging, and you'll likely feel bad about it. Unfortunately, this is what a lot of people do throughout the day. They get up in the morning, they think about all the things they don't want to do, then they grumble and complain about it, and that's all they experience throughout the day. If you want to have a pleasant time, however, focus on all the ways in which your experience is fun, enjoyable, or beneficial, or will make your life better, and you'll likely start to feel good about it. Then you can craft your experience to be more the way you want it. This will help you bridge the gap between your mind's vision and reality. So remember, focus on what you want. Your energy will always flow where your attention goes. Pay attention to the movies you're watching, the social media you're scrolling through, the audiobooks you're listening to, the people you're surrounding yourself with, and the ideas and thoughts you're allowing into your mind. Since you have a limited attention span, be aware of it and use it to your advantage. If you consciously get up in the morning and think about things you're looking forward to first, or things you're grateful for first, that will probably determine the kind of day you're going to have, full of things you're looking forward to and things you're grateful for simply because you tuned into it.